In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change autosave time in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to adjust how frequently Excel captures recovery copies of your work, so you can minimize the risk of losing changes if something unexpected happens. Start with Excel open and any workbook on your screen. To reach the settings we need, click File in the top left corner. This opens the Backstage view, the place where Excel keeps commands for managing files and application-wide preferences rather than the content of your current sheet. Next, move to the bottom of the left-hand menu and choose Options. This opens the Excel Options window, where you can customize how Excel behaves. If you don't see it immediately, scroll to the very bottom of the menu. It's typically listed near the end. Inside the Options window, look to the list on the left and select Save. This section groups everything related to saving, from default file locations to recovery behavior. It's the control center for how Excel protects your work in the background. Now find the setting labeled Save AutoRecover Information Every, followed by a number of minutes. Change that number to the interval that fits your needs. This is the timer for how often Excel takes a recovery snapshot of your workbook while you're working. If Excel or your computer crashes, those snapshots help you get back recent changes when you reopen Excel. A shorter interval means you'll lose fewer edits in a worst-case scenario, because Excel is capturing snapshots more frequently. The trade-off is that extremely short intervals on very large workbooks might feel a bit more interruptive as Excel saves in the background. A good all-around choice for most people is around 5 minutes. If you're doing critical work or editing quickly, 1 to 2 minutes gives extra peace of mind. If your files are huge or your device is older, bumping it to about 10 minutes can keep things feeling smooth while still offering protection. It's helpful to know that this setting controls AutoRecover, which is Excel's safety net. It's separate from the AutoSave switch you may see in the toolbar when you're working with files stored in the cloud. AutoRecover works regardless of where your file lives and applies across workbooks you open on this device. Once you've adjusted the minutes to your preference, that's it. You've updated Excel's recovery cadence. Quick recap. Open File, go to Options, select Save, and change the Save AutoRecover Information Every setting to the interval that works best for you.